Dear viewers, welcome into this lesson. In our previous lesson, I had a discussion on modifiers. In that lesson, I had a wish to come before you with another topic named Dangling Modifier. So, our today's topic is Dangling Modifier. But before going to Dangling Modifier, let us know what a modifier is. Okay, now please you look at the three sentences here. A red car, the tall tree, the speaker is talking loudly. Okay, in these three sentences, we have three red colored words. Okay, in the first sentence, we have a red car. Here, the word red gives some extra information about the word car. So, red modifies the word car. So red is a modifier. In the second sentence, the tall tree. How is the tree? The tree is tall. So the word tall gives some more information about the word tree. So tall is modifier. In the last sentence, the speaker is talking loudly. Here, loudly modifies the word talking. How is the speaker talking? The speaker talking loudly. So loudly is modifier here. Okay, in our last class we also talked about pre-modifier and post-modifier. Okay, in the first two sentences, red and tall, these are pre-modifier because pre-modifier places just before the word it modifies. Here, red places just before the word car. Okay, tall just before the word tree. Okay, but here the speaker is talking loudly. Here the word loudly places next after the sentence, after the word talking, it modifies. So it is post modifier. Okay, now please look at the sentence. At the age of 14, my father took me to London. Okay, now it is sure that at the age of 14, this is modifier, but its position is not right because it places just before the word my father. So at the age of 14 actually modifies my father here. The sentence literally means something different than what the speaker intends to say. The speaker intends to say that when he was 14, his father took him to London, but the way the sentence is written, it means when his father was 14 years old, his father took him to London. Okay, uh, now we have to fix it. How will we fix it? We know a modifier modifies the word that is closest to it. Okay, as the word my father comes right after the modifier modifies the age of the father, not the age of the speaker. So let us fix it. Okay, now if we say when I was 14, my father took me to London, then it is right. Okay, now let us go to another example. Having arrived late for practice, a written excuse was needed. Here, having arrived late for practice, this is dangling modifier. Why? Because who arrived late? This is not clear. So we have to add something. We have to add something, namely the person who arrived late. So if we say having arrived late for practice, the team captain needed a written excuse, then it is okay. Okay, now let us go to next sentence. Flying in the sky, I saw a huge flock of birds. Okay, actually, the sentence confuses the reader because a human being cannot fly. Flying in the sky, this modifier places just before the word I. Okay, so flying in the sky modifies I. Actually, a human being cannot fly in the sky. So flying in the sky is a dangling modifier. Okay, now how we have to fix it? Okay, let us see. I saw a huge flock of birds flying in the sky. Actually, flying in the sky, it modifies the word a huge flock of birds. Okay, so dangling modifier is a word or phrase that doesn't modify the word it is intended to modify. It is also called hanging modifier or floating modifier. Sometimes it is also called a misplaced modifier. They are regarded as grammatical errors. We have to fix them in our everyday writing. Okay? That is the end of our today's lesson. Goodbye. Have a nice time.